Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful sunny day. Today is our family day at the beach.
Yes, I'm so excited. The beach is waiting for us.
Big sandcastle and swim in the waves. And collect seashells. Can I take my red bucket?
Must wear sunscreen. The sun is strong at the beach.
Good rule, Peter. Pack your small beach bag, towel, hat, sunglasses, and your red bucket.
Mom, do I look ready?
You look perfect, Princess. Peter, where's your sunscreen?
Here, on the table. I was practicing my swimming moves last night.
Check. Picnic basket? Check. Camera? Yes. Extra water? Double check.
And my beach ball. We don't want to miss any fun.
Mom, I'm a little nervous. What if the waves are too big?
Don't worry, my brave boy. We will stay where the water is shallow and hold hands.
This is going to be the best day.
Group hug! Ready? Let's go!
Safety first. The beach is only 25 minutes away.
Look at the blue sky. Perfect weather for the sea.
Beach again. What will we see?
Lots of golden sand, big blue waves, colorful umbrellas, and tiny crabs on the shore.
Look at...
We swim together and only in safe, shallow water. It keeps everyone happy and safe.
Mom, I'm so happy. My heart is beating fast. Mine too, like the waves. Whoosh, whoosh.
The sea is shining. We're almost there.
Park carefully, David. Remember the spot so we can find the car later.
Got it. Everyone, hold hands when we walk. Stay close.
I see the beach. The water is so blue.
Let's find a nice spot under the umbrella.
This place is perfect. Soft sand and close to the water.
Thank you, Dad. Can I spread the beach towel?
Wow, look at the big waves. Can I touch the water?
Gently, yes, but remember, respect the sea. No running into deep water.
Arms, legs, and face. Safety first.
Perfect plan. I feel like a real beach explorer.
Me too. Let's go play in the sand.
I was so tall. Taller than Peter.
Yes, and we made a big wall to stop the waves. Good teamwork.
Seashell, it's shiny.
Good job staying careful, Peter. The sea gives us beautiful gifts.
Look at me jumping in the small waves. Splash! This is fun. Can we go deeper?
Not today, sweetie. We stay together and enjoy the safe waves. The sea is strong and beautiful.
You are doing great, kids. I'm proud of you.
The shells are so many colors. White, pink, orange. One is like a tiny house. Hello, little crab.
They live here. We look, but we don't take them home. Respect nature.
Lunchtime. Who is hungry after all that fun?
Me! Sandwiches, fresh fruits, and cold juice.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I made a picture with my seashells. Look, a smiley face.
Beautiful, my love. We can remember this day every time we see it.
Jumping in the waves, so much fun.
Building the sandcastle and finding shells. I learned to be gentle with the sea.
So happy and safe. Family time is the best.
Me too. Let's take one last photo together with the sea behind us.
Little beach stars.
Time to go home.
Hold hands.
Can we come again next week? Yes, please.
We will. Today was perfect.
I love you all so much. What a wonderful family day.
Can we please have one meal where no one is looking at a screen?
I'm taking the trash out. Watch the soup. It's boiling over.
No, 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 no.
Jack! Emma! Open the door!
Signals and Wi-Fi.
Then bring the fortress down. If the signal dies, the inhabitants have to come out for air.
I'm in the finals!
Dad! The Wi-Fi is down! My live stream just cut out!
Is the power out? My server just disconnected. The kitchen!
Anna, you're freezing. Where have you been?
I've been on the porch for over an hour, Michael. I watched you all, and none of you heard me die a little bit out there in the cold.
Is actually broken? Like snapped?
Yes, I broke it. And I'm not calling the technician until Monday.
What are we supposed to do until then? I'm not going to look at each other. We are going to talk until we remember who we are.
I'm sorry, Anna. I forgot that connecting doesn't require a password.
David, wake up. We overslept again.
What time is it? 7:30? Our flight's at 10. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's move fast.
Anna! Peter! Wake up, kids! It's time to go on our big adventure.
Mom, just 5 more minutes, please.
5 more minutes, and we'll miss the sunrise at the lake. Come on, sleepyhead.
Rica. Think about the beaches and monkeys.
Costa Rica? With jungles and animals? Okay, I'm up. Where's my yellow jacket? I need it for the trip.
And Peter, find your shoes quickly.
I can't find them, Mom. Where are they?
Here, little explorer, your shoes are under your pillow again. How do they always end up there?
Oh, thanks, Dad. I must have put them there last night.
Check. Tickets? Check. Chargers for our phones? Check. Snacks for the plane? In the blue bag.
And coffee for us, of course.
No family trip starts without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit, my favorite book about animals, and my sunglasses. Am I ready?
Good job, Anna. That's perfect. Peter, what about you? What did you pack?
Yeah, I packed my toy car, my red hat, and my stuffed monkey. That's all I need.
Only that? What about your clothes? You need shirts, pants, and socks too.
Oh, right. Clothes too. I forgot because I'm excited about the monkeys.
Maybe Peter is planning to live like a monkey on the beach. No clothes needed.
Not funny, David. We don't have time for jokes. You still need to call the taxi.
I already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
My hair yet or put on my makeup?
Mom, you look fine. You always look beautiful, even in the morning.
Nice try, honey, but it's comb time now. Okay, final checklist. Passports, check. Tickets, check. Snacks, check. Chargers, double check.
Perfect. We're all ready.
Wait, my monkey toy. Where is it?
Again? Where did you put it last?
On the couch. Got it. Let's go before we miss the flight.